Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Does seeing this cube bring back lots of memories? Well, check out this awesome update on the old classic. This is by GoCube, and it's an awesome, fun playing game that you can really bring into the modern times. So I love that this is plug and play. It comes with a charging stand, the cable, as well as a pouch so you can carry it with you anywhere. It's super easy to set up. Once you have it charged, you can immediately start playing. Once you have completely rearranged the cube, you have an app that corresponds, and the app allows you to be able to learn how to solve the puzzle better. I also really like the app because it goes from basic skills to way up into novice area so that you can really continue to challenge yourself. It's not that you're just going to play it once and then master it and never need the app again. You can play against others, whether you have a friend or maybe sibling that has this, or if you want to just play against random people. It will keep track of your scores, your time, so that you really can have a ton of fun using this. And also the cube itself feels really well made. It's made of a really nice plastic. Nothing on it feels cheap, but rather this just feels like a really fun take on an old game. I love that I can pass this on to my 13-year-old. She immediately gravitated towards it and has been having a ton of fun playing it. She was actually able to explain a ton of it to me, and I've been having a lot of fun as well. But that's just my point of view.